Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of wheel spaces, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007. With rich manufacturing and trading experience, from measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security product and service. The BONOSS Nissan wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design. The bloxsport active cooling Nissan wheel spacers are designed with heat distribution rules to make brake cooling better. Distribute in petal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. And the BONOSS Nissan wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two kinds of material you can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061T6, the other is 7075T6. The 6061T6 for daily driving, the 7075T6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. And the BONOSS Nissan wheel spacers match ISO grade 10 laminate, and the matching laminate use 44 material by continuous forging process, and ISO grade 12.9 wheel studs, and the matching wheel studs use SCM 440 steel material. A BONOSS wheel spacer have over 66 SGS and TV test reports. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. We can customize the Nissan wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest, and the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm, and PCDCB composition. BONOSS have a complete Nissan 315C or 317C wheel spacers production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficiency production, a logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. We can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technological progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have just applied chain management to ensure the quality of raw material and products, meet the needs of larger volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. All BONOSS Nissan wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty. With this peace of mind, BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the wheel spacer and make the wheel spacer safer, high performance, and better installation experience with that same patient for cars. We think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS full-feature view.